The people of Igbara-Oke were filled with joy, love, and happiness, and they came in their multitude with lots of excitement to show solidarity and cheer the Olowa of Igbara-Oke kingdom when he returned with bountiful harvests of new yam from Igbo-Idashu.
We have stepped up the form of celebration. Ijesu Festival has been one of those things that I feel we should thank God for bringing it into our life, because it's just like putting a bite of a little bite of yam inside the soil, and it brings you a big tuber of yam. So it's something we need to celebrate. It's something we need to thank God for it. Ijesu has been the main festival that has been celebrated in ages, in those days by our forefathers.
The way our Kabiyesi package it and give it more glamour and showcase certain cultural activities that we have to the world, you understand, has made many home and abroad to really participate in this Yam Festival.
The uniqueness of the New Yam Festival in Igbara-Oke is the royal procession led by His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Francis Adefarakanmi Agbede Ogidi III from the farm through Iloro to Oja Obada, then Ayetoro to the palace of Olowa of Igbara-Oke kingdom.
You need to let the people know that as a leader, you have to show a good example that I appreciate God for what God has done. Then the people will follow. They will not just think that it's just something I can send people to go to the farm and bring and start eating. We should appreciate God by doing it, because it's by going to the farm, doing that myself, it shows that, well, telling God that, well, I appreciate you, so that He can give my people, myself and my people, more bountiful harvest every year.
When a new yam is to be eaten, what do we do? What step do we take? The Kabiyesi will start it. Very soon, other sheep will also be eaten. The Onyile will eat, the Oshoma will eat, but the Olowa will start.
During the time of New Yam Festival, the Oshoma of Igbara-Oke will have to send a message, a mystery to the Olowa of Igbara-Oke to let him know that it's time for the New Yam Festival.
The new yam is cooked, roasted, and pounded in the evening at the palace.
The Olori of Ogidi, they have part to play in the Yam Festival. They will follow me to the farm. They will not leave it for me alone. They will join me to go to the farm together to follow our husband.
You know, they have been doing Ijesu Olowa ever since the creation of Igbara-Oke. But during the time of this Oba Ilufemi Loye, this Ijesu festival has taken a new dimension.
I was here last year for the same occasion, and I was so impressed with the turnout of our people, and I'm really pleased that the country is really advancing.
The Ijesu Olowa festival is getting bigger and better. The indigenes of Igbara-Oke kingdom will continue to use it not just as a platform for cultural celebration, but a medium to promote growth and development of Igbara-Oke kingdom.